Ripples of love flowing free, a tender glow, a sacred key. Unconditional light flows where the shadows go. Feel the love, let it grow. Crystal waters cleanse the pain. Harp waves whisper, break the chain. Through every tear we rise again. Unconditional light flows where the shadows go. Unconditional, feel the love, let it grow. Soft tones weaving, hearts aligning, wounds dissolve, the soul is shining, forgiveness blooms, the path